Welcome. We're excited for you to join us for PA Med's 2025 awards announcement. The Pennsylvania Medical Society's awards are a tribute to excellence in medicine and a recognition of the outstanding physicians who exemplify dedication, compassion, and leadership in their work. Each of our honorees has made a meaningful and lasting impact on their patients, their communities, and the medical profession. Whether through innovation, advocacy, mentorship, or patient care, they remind us of the profound difference one physician can make. This celebration is more than recognition. It's a moment to reflect on the strength of our medical community and to be inspired by the individuals who lead it forward. The Distinguished Service Award is the highest honor given by the Pennsylvania Medical Society. It's reserved for a member whose lifelong work shows exceptional dedication to the field of medicine. This award goes beyond professional achievements. It recognizes a career defined by meaningful contributions that have helped move our profession forward. This year's recipient, Dr. Richard Winder, truly embodies these values. Dr. Winder is the Robert G. Dunlop Professor and Chair of the Department of Family Medicine and Community Health at the Perelman School of Medicine at the University of Pennsylvania. He also serves as Executive Director of Penn's Center for Public Health. Throughout his career, Dr. Winder has demonstrated visionary leadership, compassionate service, and a deep commitment to public health and equity. His journey began at Thomas Jefferson University, where he spent more than 3 decades in the Department of Family and Community Medicine. During his time there, he served as chair and helped establish the department as a national leader in family medicine and geriatric care. He also played a key role in launching the Stephen Klein Wellness Center, which continues to serve underserved communities. At Penn, Dr. Winder has led efforts to grow and strengthen the Department of Family Medicine and Community Health. Under his leadership, the department has expanded its residency program, recruited dozens of new faculty members, and revitalized a robust health service research program. He has championed initiatives focused on vaccine equity, built lasting partnerships with community organizations, and led the development of a school health program at West Philadelphia High School. He also established Penn's first addiction medicine fellowship and consult service to help combat the opioid epidemic. The department has secured significant support through grants and philanthropy to advance its mission, reducing health disparities and improving care for vulnerable populations. Dr. Winder is also a nationally recognized expert in cancer screening and prevention. He broke new ground as the first primary care physician to serve as national president of the American Cancer Society and later as its inaugural chief cancer control officer. In that role, he led several landmark public health initiatives, including major national campaigns for cancer screening, vaccination, and patient navigation. His leadership helped bring life-saving screenings to millions of Americans and shape public health strategies that continue to have a lasting impact. He has also co-authored numerous cancer screening guidelines and publications, and throughout all of this work, he has remained grounded in primary care. Throughout his 31 years as a PA Med member, Dr. Winder has embodied the highest ideals of medicine: compassion, innovation, and service. His work has touched countless lives and helped build a healthier, more just society. Please join me in recognizing the recipient of the 2025 Distinguished Service Award, Dr. Richard Winder. Every other year, we have the privilege of recognizing a truly remarkable individual, someone whose dedication to their community goes far beyond the call of duty. The Community Voluntary Service Award honors a member of the Pennsylvania Medical Society whose volunteer work stands out for its duration, its deep and lasting impact, and the selfless spirit in which it was carried out. This award celebrates resilience and an unwavering commitment to the well-being of others, qualities that define this year's honoree. It is with great admiration and gratitude that we introduce the recipient of this year's Community Voluntary Service Award, an individual who truly exemplifies what it means to serve with heart, humility, and purpose, Dr. Ada Imua. Dr. Imua has demonstrated extraordinary commitment to community service in the Lebanon and Lancaster areas through a wide range of voluntary, uncompensated roles. Over nearly 2 decades, she has consistently shown courage, compassion, and a deep dedication to advancing equity, health, and empowerment, especially for underserved populations. Since 2005, Dr. Imua has co-led the Wheel of Hope initiative, helping drive sustainable programs that alleviate poverty and improve lives, both locally and globally. Her leadership has made a meaningful and lasting impact on women, children, and youth in marginalized communities. In more recent years, she has taken on several leadership roles, including serving on the board of directors for the Community Health Council of Lebanon County, the planning committee for the Cultural Diversity Conference at Lebanon Valley College, and the advisory board for Reach Out and Lead. Through each of these, she has helped promote health, education, and cultural inclusion. As co-chair of the Penn Medicine Lancaster General Health DEI Advisory Council since 2022, Dr. Imua continues to lead systemic change while actively participating in community outreach efforts. Through Patients Are Waiting and the Network Initiative, she works to increase minority representation in medicine and provides free mental health care to underserved populations. Her service extends even further. As a past secretary and active member of the Association of Nigerian Physicians in the Americas, she helps advance culturally informed medical outreach. Dr. Imua's volunteerism reflects the very spirit of this award. She has overcome barriers, served with selflessness, and brought lasting positive change to individuals and communities alike. Please join me in honoring Dr. Ada Imua as the recipient of the 2025 Community Voluntary Service Award. The next generation of medical leaders, those young physicians who are already making a lasting impact through their innovation, leadership, and unwavering commitment to patient care. These dynamic individuals under 40 are not just excelling in their fields, they're inspiring their peers, advancing medicine, and shaping the future of healthcare in Pennsylvania and beyond. Today, we're proud to announce the winners of the 2025 Pennsylvania Medical Society Top Physicians Under 40 Award, exceptional physicians who are going above and beyond in their community.
Dr. Gregory Eps, the Division Chief of Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery at Jefferson Torresdale Hospital, became a physician to make a positive impact on the lives of those in his community. Dr. Eps is known for his patient-centered care, strong leadership skills, and his dedication to advancing the field of otolaryngology by mentoring resident physicians. At UPMC Magee Women's Hospital, urogynecologist Dr. Joselyn Fitzgerald is redefining women's health through research, advocacy, and care that reach both urban and rural communities. A nationally recognized leader, she coined the term "gyne economics" to spotlight funding disparities in women's health and uses digital platforms to amplify awareness and drive systematic change. President of the Greater Pittsburgh Orthopedic Associates and Chief of Surgery at AHN Allegheny Valley Hospital, Dr. Juan Gala is a dynamic advocate for independent private practice. Dr. Gala blends surgical precision with innovation, ensuring access for patients regardless of insurance, and championing high-quality care in a shifting healthcare landscape. In Montgomery County, otolaryngologist Dr. Lindseay Goodstein is redefining patient-centered care through the launch of her own private practice, where she prioritizes accessibility, personalized treatment, and lasting patient relationships. Dr. Goodstein is pioneering office-based ENT procedures that enhance outcomes while reducing patient recovery time, advancing care that larger institutions are still catching up to. OB/GYN resident Dr. Nathaniel Hoskins from Tower Health Reading Hospital is a rising leader in maternal fetal medicine, known for his compassionate care, exceptional work ethic, and dedication to high-risk obstetric patients. With multiple research publications focused on improving maternal and neonatal outcomes, Dr. Hoskins is actively shaping the future of obstetrics through evidence-based practice and mentorship. Dr. Jason Kaplan from St. Luke's Hospital is a distinguished cardiologist who balances clinical excellence with a deep commitment to medical education as chairman of cardiology at the Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine. Dr. Kaplan inspires the next generation of physicians through his compassionate care, diagnostic expertise, and dedication to lifelong learning. As program director at UPMC Williamsport Family Medicine Residency, Dr. Dana Kersner combines full-spectrum clinical practice with innovative medical education. Her dedication to equitable healthcare access, inclusive leadership, and rural physician training reflects a deep commitment to improving the health of all Pennsylvanians. Dr. Stephen Long from the Wright Center for Community Health, Mid-Valley Practice, has made a remarkable impact in Northeast Pennsylvania through compassionate whole-person care and unwavering service to underserved communities. In just 6 months at the Wright Center, he has redefined community health delivery while advancing medical education, championing physician well-being, and mentoring future clinicians. Dr. Kevin Lynch, managing physician of Penn Medicine Lancaster General Health, Leola, and New Holland, has shown exceptional leadership early in his career, revitalizing 2 rural practices while managing a full patient panel. Dr. Lynch has expanded access to high-quality care, stabilized provider teams, and fostered a culture of collaboration and wellness. Penn State Health Milton S. Hershey Medical Center radiation oncologist Dr. Desawn Mahes is a dynamic leader and clinician whose innovations in education, clinical care, and research have elevated standards within his department and across central Pennsylvania. As medical director and interim vice chair of education, he has restructured student and resident education, led complex multidisciplinary care initiatives, and advanced cutting-edge treatments. Neurologist and headache specialist at Thomas Jefferson University, Dr. Siraj Malhan is a nationally recognized clinician and researcher transforming the landscape of headache medicine through innovation and compassion. From pioneering real-world migraine treatment studies to developing an AI-powered board question bank and leading national advocacy efforts, Dr. Malhan blends cutting-edge science with patient-centered care. Penn State Health visionary neurosurgeon scientist Dr. Sed Mansuri is transforming brain tumor care through pioneering clinical work, liquid biopsy research, and interdisciplinary collaboration. From performing groundbreaking surgeries in Central PA to leading NIH-funded studies and national expert panels, Dr. Mansuri is redefining how malignant brain tumors are diagnosed and treated. As the first full-time surgical oncologist at St. Vincent Hospital, Dr. Rebecca Marcus is bringing cutting-edge cancer care to underserved communities in northwestern PA. Her dedication to patients and trainees has transformed St. Vincent Hospital into a hub for specialized oncology treatment and surgical education. Driven by a passion for service and mentorship, Dr. Marcus is redefining rural surgical oncology. West Penn Medical Associates internal medicine physician Dr. Lauren Matthysse is a compassionate and visionary educator who has transformed medical education and care delivery for vulnerable populations in Pennsylvania. As a tireless mentor and leader, she's reimagined curriculum design, pioneered lifestyle medicine training, and fostered a culture of empathy and excellence among students and residents. Dr. Nibha Udin of Allegheny Health Network is a visionary gastroenterologist and hepatologist whose groundbreaking work in alcohol-associated liver disease has transformed care delivery and challenged stigma across Pennsylvania. Through innovative initiatives like the Alcohol Bridge Clinic and high-impact research, she provides compassionate, multidisciplinary care while driving systematic change. Dr. Sed Muhammad Pourshahid is a rising leader in pulmonary and critical care medicine, pioneering innovative technology-driven approaches to make pulmonary rehabilitation more accessible and impactful across Pennsylvania. Through his work at Temple University Hospital and My Virtual PR, he is bridging gaps in care for underserved populations by integrating telehealth and wearable tech into chronic respiratory care. Director of Hospital Medicine at Wellspan Ephrata Community Hospital, Dr. Yuthi Penuse is a visionary hospitalist and leader whose patient-centered, process-driven approach is transforming healthcare in Lancaster County. Dr. Penuse has led successful initiatives to improve patient experience and reduce length of stay, while championing health equity for underserved communities, including the Amish population. Dr. Daniel Rubenstein of Penn Medicine Lancaster General Health Physicians Geriatrics is a compassionate and dedicated physician providing comprehensive care that improves the quality of life for older adults. With a focus on reducing polypharmacy and enhancing dementia care, she leads efforts to ensure her patients receive the respect, dignity, and individualized care they deserve. Internal medicine resident at Allegheny General Hospital, Dr. Matthew Simpson is an inspiring physician, educator, and advocate dedicated to improving healthcare equity and diversifying the medical workforce. As a first-generation African-American physician, he is a trailblazer in mentorship programs such as Triumph and Black Men in Residency, addressing disparities in healthcare representation. Dr. Chidi Spagnola from Wellspan York Hospital Family Medicine Residency is an outstanding leader in family medicine known for her innovation in medical education and commitment to shaping the next generation of physicians. As Associate Program Director, she has significantly contributed to curriculum development, mentoring residents and enhancing patient care, particularly in women's health and addiction medicine. As a faculty member at the UPMC Williamsport Family Medicine Residency, Dr. Enoch Su is the definition of a leader. Dr. Su has redesigned curricula, led technology-driven advocacy, and advanced policy efforts as president of the Lycoming County Medical Society, all while mentoring future physicians and expanding access to care in underserved regions. Trailblazer in neurological surgery, Dr. Alexander Whiting of the Allegheny Health Network specializes in functional neurosurgery, epilepsy, and neuromodulation. His leadership in transforming the surgical epilepsy program and groundbreaking research on neuromodulation for stroke rehabilitation and psychiatric disorders such as addiction have established him as a key figure in advancing neurosurgical care. UPMC Vision Institute Locust Street ophthalmologist Dr. Andrew Williams has pioneered efforts to address social determinants of health by implementing social needs screenings in ophthalmology clinics and leading community outreach programs. His research on glaucoma and patient follow-up patterns has highlighted disparities in care, influencing both clinical practice and public health initiatives.
As we conclude this year's awards announcement, we want to extend our sincere congratulations to all our honorees. Each of you represents the very best of our profession. Your dedication, compassion, and commitment to both your patients and your communities are truly inspiring. Thank you for the work you do every day and for reminding us what it means to keep the passion in the practice of medicine. We're proud to celebrate your accomplishments and even more proud to have you as part of the PA Med community.